Do you want to speak English confidently in daily life? Let's practice together.
Setting the alarm for tomorrow.
Hey, did you remember to set your alarm for tomorrow morning?
Not yet. I was just about to do it before going to bed.
You should set it now so you don't forget later when you get sleepy.
That's a good idea, because I always forget small things when I'm tired.
What time do you need to wake up tomorrow for your meeting?
I have an early meeting at 8 a.m., so I need to wake up at 6:30.
That sounds early, especially since you went to bed late last night.
Yes, I'm still feeling a bit tired, so I really need enough rest tonight.
You should also set a backup alarm just in case you don't hear the first one.
That's smart, because sometimes I accidentally turn off my alarm without waking up.
Exactly. I usually set at least 2 alarms, 5 minutes apart.
I think I'll do the same tonight to be safe.
What sound do you use for your alarm tone?
I use a gentle tone because loud noises make me feel stressed in the morning.
I prefer a louder sound because I'm a heavy sleeper.
It really depends on how easily you wake up in the morning.
Do you keep your phone next to your bed or across the room?
I keep it on my bedside table so I can easily reach it.
I put mine across the room, so I have to get up to turn it off.
That's actually a great way to avoid going back to sleep.
Yes, it helps me start my day more actively.
I might try that method tomorrow morning.
You should also check that your phone has enough battery before sleeping.
Oh, thanks for reminding me, because my battery is pretty low right now.
It would be terrible if your phone died and your alarm didn't go off.
That would definitely make me late for my meeting.
Do you ever use a traditional alarm clock as a backup?
No, I usually rely on my phone for everything.
Sometimes it's good to have a backup, just in case technology fails.
You're right. Maybe I should buy one in the future.
What time are you planning to go to sleep tonight?
I want to sleep by 10:30 so I can get enough rest.
That sounds like a good plan for an early morning.
I also want to wake up feeling refreshed instead of tired.
Then you should avoid using your phone too much before bed.
I know, but it's hard to stop scrolling sometimes.
Maybe set a reminder to put your phone away earlier.
That could actually help me build a better routine.
Good habits at night make mornings much easier.
I completely agree with that.
Okay, have you set your alarm now?
Yes, I just set 2 alarms for 6:30 and 6:35.
Great! Now you don't have to worry about oversleeping.
I feel more relaxed knowing everything is prepared.
Preparation is the key to a stress-free morning.
Thanks for reminding me about all these details.
No problem. I like staying organized.
I should learn from you and plan things better.
It just takes practice and consistency.
I'll start by improving my bedtime routine tonight.
That's a great first step toward better mornings.
I hope I wake up on time and feel energized.
I'm sure you will if you follow your plan.
All right, I'm going to charge my phone and get ready for bed.
Good idea. I'll do the same now.
Don't forget to set your alarm too.
I already did. Mine is set for 7 a.m.
Perfect. Then we're both ready for tomorrow.
Let's get a good night's sleep.
Good night and see you in the morning.